So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial video, we are going to learn about how to create loading animation very easily by using CSS. So let's first start with our HTML file. So let's create it and let's give them the name whichever you want to. I give them the name Easy Loader. Okay. Now let's save this file. So I'm going to give them the name Easy Loader. Okay, then save. Now let's select our CSS file and save this file also. So I'm going to give them the style 11.css is already. Now save. Now let's move forward to our link. So let's link our file. Let's link. Let's give them the style sheet. Now hyperreference links. We are going to use our style 11.css. Now let's then close. Now let's use our class here guys. So I'm going to use our class as a circle. Okay. Now let's then close. Let's open our CSS file. Our HTML file is clear. But firstly let's open our live server. And let's give them let's give them the split screen. Now let's open our CSS file. So let's start with our body tag. Curly brackets open and close. Now let's write down our margin as a 0, padding as a 0. Now background as a easy 4, whichever color you want. So I'm going to select this one as you can see. Now let's use our circle class here guys. Now let's give them the position as a absolute. Now let's give them the top position as a 50%, then left as a 50%. Now let's write down our transform as a translate. So let's give them the X and Y position guys. So I'm going to write down both as a 50-50%. Okay. Now let's save. Now let's choose a V height and width. So let's write down width as a 100 pixel, then height as a 100 pixel. Now let's give them the border radius guys. So I'm going to give them the border radius as a 50%. Then let's select our border. So I'm going to write down 10 pixels solid. Let's choose our RGBA color as all max 255, 255, 255 and point 1. So as you can see, this is our white color looks like. If you want to create more visible by doing this. Now let's give them the border top position. So border top I'm going to write down 10 pixels solid. White color I'm going to use it here guys. So as you can see in top position. If I write down here bottom, then it's going to start with the bottom. Okay. So according to your need, you can start it your animation guys. So let's write down our animation. So I'm going to give them the name as animate. As I'm going to use 2 second, infinite, linear I'm going to use it here. Then save. So this is our CSS loader animation guys works here. Now let's give them the keyframes here guys. So let's write down keyframes, whichever name you write it. I write here animate, so I'm going to write it here animate. Now let's give them the 0%, curly brackets open and close. Now let's write down translate, transform as a translate. Okay. Now let's give them the position. So I'm going to give them the minus 50% our X and our Y angle as a 50%. Now I'm going to give them the rotate position as a 0 degree at the start. Okay. Now let's just copy this one. Now I'm going to change this one as a 100%. Sorry, 100%. And this is the same as this one. Now we are going to change our 360 degree only. So as you can see guys, my easy very CSS circle loading here guys. As you can see, it's moving. So according to your need, you can do the visibility here. If I give them the 0.9, then it's going to look like this. Let's change the color so you can understand very easily. So as you can see. So according to your need, you can change it here, guys. If you have any query, write down in the comment section. And also for the source code, also write down your email ID in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.